Good evening, friends. Everybody, this is Ashokanand Saraswati. Friends, there's a great news from our end. We are very soon going to launch a new channel on the social media platform YouTube, and it will be termed as Happy Swarna Prajatantra. Happy Swarna Prajatantra, HSP, and it will also be termed as Nota Party. Friends, in this Happy Swarna Prajatantra, we are going to explain how a real democracy should be. Yes, how a real democracy should be. You are surprised? You want to ask me a question? Is the democracy that is going on in our country, is it not a real one? Yes, there is a question mark on it. If you take a full circle, the democracy that is been run in our country is like an off circle. Because the democracy that is been run in our country is a total abuse of real democracy. Yes, friends, I'm telling you this truth. I've been doing research on this for last 30 years. Where is the things going wrong? What is going wrong? How it is been abused? And I've come up with an excellent concept how to make right democracy, how to make this off circle into a full circle. The off circle now, it will be completed by our concept, that is the Happy Swarna Prajatantra. The off circle will be completed by our Happy Swarna Prajatantra concept. Under this concept, we are going to tell you what actual real democracy will be. We are going to lay out a total roadmap how the governance should be, what are the powers of the people, how people should be, and what platform should be set up by the election commission, and what way of governance should be, taking from the top to the bottom. All aspects finance, health, HR, ICAR, that is income tax revenue, international, foreign relations, defense, economics, civics, political, disaster management, everything will be everything we are going to give a correct picture on it. Everything will be dealt with. Friends, the governance that we are seeing in our country is not the right way, is not the true form of democracy. In our country, especially in our India, and almost you can say almost across the world, in most of the communities, people believe in going to heaven after death, after life. Friends, after life, what will happen, where things are, how things are, all these are uncertain. So we should never dream. An intelligent man is not a man who will dream about something which is not assured of. Don't think about going to heaven after life. Think of making life itself into an heaven. Yes, think of making life itself into an heaven. Think of making life into a beautiful place to live. Try to make the earth the most wonderful place to live for ourselves and for others too. That's how the concept of our, that is Happy Swarna Prajatantra, will be laying the foundation for. This will be a route map for the people dwelling in. It will be a route map for a happy governance. It will be a route map for the coming future, for all the excellent politicians and also excellent government at India level and also at international level. Yes, we are going to make our abilities, we are going to publish our work internationally as well, because we have taken the efforts for last 30 years. Maybe the Indian government will accept our excellent policies or not. It's left to them. We are definitely going to bring a big change. Our concept is going to really add a new change, new idea, new way, and new techniques to make happy living. Friends, very soon my videos will be uploaded on the YouTube with this concept. Don't worry friends, this video what I have took it is on a mobile. We are going to launch our videos with a beautiful studio, directly from the studio, with beautiful audibilities, with beautiful clarity images and excellently presented things. Everything will be available on the YouTube with the same name. I have given it two names, Nota Party, to make it more very good concept. Nota Party, and the other name I gave it is Happy Swarna Prajatantra. Yes, the Prajatantra what we are living is not a complete circle, and our Happy Swarna Prajatantra makes an incomplete circle into a full circle and guides everybody. The law, everything will be explained about the IPC, the Indian penal codes, where the new changes are required, the traffic rules, where the new changes are required, the development activities, the irrigation activities, the imports and export councils, everything will be taken care of. The law and order aspects, where the changes are needed, and how the independent governing bodies like election commissions will work, how independent governance like judiciary shall handle the things directly, how the pending cases should be handled in the most excellent manner, making the cases disposed very early with the highly justified manner. Everything will be covered up. Friends, wait for the beautiful videos to come and let's celebrate the launch of our new channel, that is Nota Party Happy Swarna Prajatantra. Thank you from Ashokanand Saraswati. Thank you very much.